Discover the Nike Air Force 107 SE Tattoo White, a modern twist on the iconic 1982 classic. This pair blends deep purple leather, crocodile-style embossed textures, and a clean white sole to create a look that's both elegant and street-ready. Its smooth panels, engraved stitching, and unified laces highlight a premium construction that elevates any fit. The design stands out quietly, rich color, subtle shine, and balanced proportions that stay true to the legendary AF1 silhouette. From the refined swoosh detailing to the polished contours that shift with light, every element adds depth without being loud. The crisp sole and signature air cushioning anchor the shoe with stability, making it perfect for daily wear or standout outfits. Whether you're a sneaker collector or a casual fan, this release delivers a fresh blend of classic heritage and modern style, bringing a new level of appeal to the Air Force One legacy.